So the next major update for MPC 2.3 is the addition of an arpeggiator. This is an amazing feature update which I'm sure loads of you will be very excited and very happy to see in MPC 2.3. To engage the arpeggiator, we double tap our note repeat button in quick succession, and then you get access to the different time divisions on the bottom of your main page. But you can also see now that we've got this ARP button. So let's press that, and that opens the arpeggiator controls. Now it's a really detailed arpeggiator. There's lots of functions here. I'm not going to go through everything, but I will just show you briefly everything that's available. We've got the enabled box here, so we can switch it on and off. We can latch the notes. We've got action. So action is whether it behaves like an arpeggiator. We can set it to note repeat, which is just standard note repeat behavior. Now this one is rhythm, so there's a number of preset rhythms which are found down here. So we've got jaunty, skipping, knock 4 times, pop riff, sparse, play once. So we can choose a particular rhythm for the arpeggiator to play. We can also choose a pattern, which is a little bit more flexible, because if we go down to the patterns and double tap there, you can see you've got a ton of different preset patterns to play back your arpeggios with. Okay, so really good stuff there. Let's just go back up. So we've got time divisions for the arpeggiator. We've got note length in percentage. We've got velocity control, so we can choose between as played, from first note, accented, full, 3/4, half, or quarter. And we've got a swing amount there, so we can swing the arpeggiator. As said, that's where the pattern selection is, or the rhythm selections that you can choose depending on what mode you're in. And down here we've got sustain pedal latches, so this will allow you to sustain via a external foot switch or foot pedal. And we've got a latch mode here for that, which is reset or add. So let's first of all latch the arpeggiator. So let's just give you a quick example. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into pad perform mode. We're using the electric plug-in synth, and I'm just going to press a few random notes back. So this is the electric plug-in running at the moment. So we're in enabled mode, of course, because the ARP's running. We've latched the notes. The action is set to ARP, so this is the main arpeggiator. We can change the time division. Over here we've got the note length in percentage, so we can extend that. It'll make the notes ring out more, or really short. We can swing that, so at the moment it's the default of 50. Let's increase that to 67. Now we're swinging the arpeggiator. Let's go down. We've got the ARP mode, so let's change the ARP pattern. It's currently set to up. It's down, up and down, down up and down repeat ends. You can hear it's got a double hit now. Down up repeat ends. Random. Thumb up, thumb down, thumb up down, thumb down up, pinky up, pinky down, pinky up down, pinky down up, skip up. I nearly said skin up, but it's skip up down, skip down up, converge, diverge, convolge, diverge. I mean, there's tons. As you can see, there's absolutely tons of ARP patterns there. And we can select a different octave range for it to span over. Can we change, and we can also change the variation. Okay, so as you can see, it's a really flexible and advanced arpeggiator. Let's now change the action to note repeat. So that's just your standard note repeat. Okay, so you lose the access to all the patterns and shapes and stuff, obviously, because it's just the note repeat. Let's now put it into rhythm. So let's choose a different rhythm. We've got this one set to jaunty. Let's set to skipping. So as you can hear, we've got these different rhythms now that we can choose from. Yeah, you get the idea. Anyway, that's rhythm, and then we can choose pattern. So let's go down and choose a different pattern. So there you go, a brief overview of the arpeggiator used in conjunction with Pad Perform, and also using it on one of the brand new plugins, Electric, in the MPC X hardware. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more MPC 2.3 feature update videos and tutorials in the next forthcoming weeks. This is Tubedigga, and I'm out.